I'm so excited to see what the design team has in store for you. Today is our design team hop for our April products. I'm super excited to play with the stamp today. This is Bloom with Happiness. It's an add-on to your Paper Pad Club subscription. I'll talk more about that in a moment, so I'd love for you to hop to each designer for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. I'll have the link in the description box where you can enter into the giveaway. This giveaway will run through the 16th. I'll post the winner on our community tab here on YouTube. You can always go back to the link, click it, and it will share who the winner was. Leave lots of love on the way as you watch each designer's video. So I'm working with the Paper Pad Club of the month. We have 2 paper pads in your club. We have options to add on coordinating ephemera and a stamp set. This month you'll be getting the Bloom with Happiness stamp set. It is super cute. We have a bunny rabbit popping out of a bunch of flowers. We have a teacup with florals popping out the top, and these really cool gym shoes with florals popping out the top as well. We have Sentiment, A Cup of Positivity, You Brighten My Day, Sending Spring Blessings, You Fill My Cup, Happiness Blooms From Within, and a hello. So really nice set. The ephemera matches the papers perfectly. And in the other paper pad, there's some really nice images in here that you can use and cut out to make ephemera. So here are some of the images that you'll receive inside your paper pad. Really cute images. There's one stuck under there. And I did this card here with the cute little dog and umbrella. Those images are in there as well. This is a card I did with the coordinating ephemera. For this card here, I used our brand new pet tapes that match this month's paper pads. We have Sunshine and Petals pet tape. So these are removable stickers that are already trimmed out for you. And then the other one is Spring Awakening. Really pretty. This pet tape coordinates with our Springtime Denim ephemera pack, also available for individual purchase. I'll leave a still shot out of all the pieces included in this ephemera pack. All right, now the hard part, to decide which paper pad to use with my stamped image. I think I'm going to use the flowers, the music of spring, because I want to color these daisies yellow. So our Paper Pad Club is available as a one-time purchase, or you could join our monthly club. When you join the monthly club, you get 18% off. You get a juicy discount to the store to go shopping all month long. Plus, you'll get your 2 paper pads delivered to your door every month. And we provide lots of inspiration on our YouTube channel, so you'll never run out of ideas. Here's that lovely page where you can cut out these images and make super cute card fronts. I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to put that one to the side. And I might use this one. Ooh, I really like this one. Now I'm torn. This pad is just so pretty. And I love that one as well. All right, so we'll grab these 3. I'm going to leave those papers to the side for coloring inspiration. I'm going to stamp a sentiment underneath. So I think I'm going to use either You Brighten My Day or Happiness Blooms From Within. I'm going to do You Brighten My Day. So I'm going to put that off to the side so I could use it after I color up my image. I'm using Memento Tuxedo Black ink. That looks super, super pretty. I think that's good. I don't think I need to stamp it twice. I have a freshly inked ink pad, so that really did the trick. I think this image would be really pretty with a loose watercolor. I'm going to color my gym shoes blue. Let's try to match the paper. I have B97, B95, B93, and B91. I'm going to go around my image. I'm going to play some music so you could sit back and enjoy the coloring and meet me back on the other side.
Grab your glue and favorite pad. It's hop time, friends. Get ready to add a sprinkle of shimmer, a sentiment sweet. Let's make something handmade and totally neat. Each month we craft with care and delight, using kits that just feel right. From patterned paper to matching bits, everything coordinates, no creative splits. Hop into happy, come craft with the team. We're sharing ideas and living the dream. One lucky viewer will win a gift card, so hop along and leave love on every card. You'll love how it's easy, the colors just flow. Ephemera magic makes your projects glow. No stress, no fuss, just joy in the making. Not too shabby's the brand worth embracing. So hit subscribe, don't miss the fun. A fresh new hop when each month's begun. Cards, journals, treats, whatever you do, our products were made to inspire you. Hop into happy, let creativity shine. With not too shabby, you're always in line for fun, inspiration, and crafty good cheer. We're so glad to have you hopping right here.
Okay, so now I'm just going to cut this out with a die. We have this clipboard die in the shop, and it has a perfect sized rectangle with rounded corners. I thought I'd take this to trim out my little image. Okay, so I opted in for a smaller frame. I'm not a fan of yellow card bases, but I had this yellow and it matched pretty well, so I wanted to use it up.
Grab your glue and favorite pad. It's hop time, friends. Get ready to add a sprinkle of shimmer, a sentiment sweet. Let's make something handmade and totally neat. Each month we craft with care and delight, using kits that just feel right. From patterned paper to matching bits, everything coordinates, no creative splits. Hop into happy, come craft with the team. We're sharing ideas and living the dream. One lucky viewer will win a gift card, so hop along and leave love on every card.
So here is the finished card. I think it turned out really pretty. I think this would look really cute if we splattered some white gouache on top, like some splatters. That would look really cute. I might do that later. But I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the hop. Leave a comment down below. I love hearing your feedback, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.
Projects flow. No stress, no fuss, just joy.